Hello everyone, welcome to ARX. This is a quick video to show you the updates you do on the website and the tools you are able to use and how to use them. So this is our website. You see here, if you drop the mouse on this stop, so you can watch the numbers and everything. You also have here the numbers as the market is moving, is still alive, is live. So here you can see the markets, all the charts if you want to have a look, daily, monthly, everything. You just move if you want to see. Heart maps as well, you can see all of that. Technical as well, you can see all of that. It's a USD only. This is the calendar for news, you can also watch them. It's a risk calculator, you can calculate to see. So let's say you have a 100 key account, your risk 0.25%, stop loss 10 pips, you calculate. This is going to show you the risk you do it and the lot size you should put it. So, and also you have the journal, you have the trading journal. So let's see, for example, let's see he marked just here, he sell from here, just an example, I take profit there. You just come here, you copy the numbers, you just drop them, entry point, your risk already here. So entry point, you are in sell, you're gonna use gold, today date, you put 40, perfect. Is your entry point. Now you're gonna put your stop loss. Is your stop loss, you copy and paste there, your stop loss. As you can see, it's already calculated how many pips in stop loss do you have. So you go to the take profit, just here, copy and paste there, you copy and paste there, and you have your pip stop loss, your pips take profit, and the risk to reward was 4 to 54. Now you can add also the you copy the link, you can also add this here, you just paste them, and then you can put the result. Let's see, it was a win, but you can do this later, you can edit them. Now you save the trade, or you can write notes, something like that. You already add your notes. Now you save the trade, and the trade being safe. You have a total trades, 100% win rate because it was only one trade. This is the average risk to reward, the cumulative reward, all pairs. You can change for wins and loss and break-evens. You put the date you can use, like for the week, let's see, from 11 on Monday to till tomorrow on Friday, and then you can apply them. It's already there. Now it's gonna appear here your journal, and if you click in there, it's gonna open exactly the image you share. So then you can do it for the whole week, or you can just export to CSV, export JSON, or export PDF. You can click just there. If you want to print, you can print. If you know, you can cancel, and you can download just around here. You can do it. See all, is gonna appear all your journal just here. You can edit or delete. If you click here, you also see the picture. So yeah, if you want to edit anything, you just click here, it's coming already. So you edit everything you want and then save again. The trade being saved once again, and that's the journal. Also you have all your products about ARX. You just click, it go directly to the page. So you have the 5-day premium trial, the premium monthly access, that's the one you have just here. You can use them as well. It's a premium monthly subscribe. You have the full course, everything. Forex Foundation is a free course for beginners. It's a PDF, this is a PDF, this is a PDF also, is a ebooks, a PDF. So this is the blogs, you can use this as a blog. As you can see, he shared every Sunday a weekly outlook, so you can read the blog as well. You put there, you're gonna read the blog, it's gonna appear there. All the thing is there, what he talk about. Let's go back. There we go, let's go back here. So is a ARX Smash, is a shop. He have that they do a few things as well in there. This is if you want to go to prop films, you just click there, you go to the challenge of the FTMO, the Fivers and FXE5 is the only prop films you trust at the moment. Is your YouTube from ARX and the TikTok from ARX. Also you have your reviews from the traders already are with us, and also if you have the 5 questions, so you can just click there and you see your answers. In anything you need, you just can text us as well or email. Yeah, that's it. This is our website, guys. This is how things works, and just join us.